Here's a more detailed exam-level elaboration of silver sulfadiazine, Silvadene, organized for deep understanding, viva, and clinical use. Number 1. Basic information expanded. Generic name silver sulfadiazine, chemical nature, combination of silver A+, sulfadiazine, a sulfonamide. Drug class, topical antimicrobial, sulfonamide derivative. Brand names, Silvadene, SSD cream, thermazine. Formulation, 1% cream, most common. Water miscible base, allows easy spread over burns. Number 2. Definition, clinical perspective. Silver sulfadiazine is a broad-spectrum topical antimicrobial agent specifically designed for burn wound management, where it prevents colonization and sepsis by microorganisms. Number 3. Mechanism of action, detailed. It has a dual mechanism. A silver component releases silver ions, Ag, slowly, binds to bacterial DNA, inhibits replication, proteins, denatures enzymes, disrupts cell membrane integrity, cell death. B sulfadiazine component competes with paraminobenzoic acid, PABA, inhibits dihydropteroate synthase, blocks folic acid synthesis, inhibits bacterial growth. Net effect, bactericidal plus bacteriostatic, active against gram-positive, e.g. Staphylococcus aureus, gram-negative, e.g. Pseudomonas aeruginosa, some fungi, e.g. Candida. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics, in-depth. Absorption, minimal through intact skin, significant absorption in large burns, open wounds, prolonged use. Distribution, enters bloodstream if absorbed, distributes like systemic sulfonamides. Metabolism, sulfadiazine metabolized in liver, acetylation. Excretion, via kidneys, urine, risk of crystalluria if systemic absorption occurs. Special note, plasma levels may become clinically relevant in 20 to 30% body surface burns. Number 5. Uses, expanded clinical uses, primary uses, prevention of infection in burns, treatment of infected burn wounds, secondary, off-label, pressure ulcers, diabetic foot ulcers, skin graft donor sites, minor traumatic wounds, less common now. Number 6, indications, more specific. Second-degree burns, partial thickness, third-degree burns, full thickness, high-risk wounds prone to infection, burn units, ICU settings. Number 7, contraindications, detailed, hypersensitivity to sulfonamides, silver compounds, infants 2 months, risk of kernicterus, pregnancy, especially third trimester, severe renal or hepatic disease, relative. Number 8, precautions before taking. Check history of sulfa allergy, use cautiously in G6PD deficiency, risk of hemolysis, renal impairment, drug accumulation, liver disease. Monitoring required. CBC, watch for leukopenia, renal function, systemic toxicity. Number 9, how to use, step-by-step clinical method. 1, wash hands thoroughly. 2, clean wound, remove debris, dead tissue. 3, apply cream using sterile gloves, spatula. 4, spread 1 to 2 millimeters thick layer. 5, cover with sterile gauze, optional. 6, reapply, once or twice daily, after bathing or wound cleaning. Number 10, dosing information. No fixed membrane dose, topical, apply enough to completely cover wound surface. Frequency, 1 to 2 times day. Duration, until wound heals, skin grafting done. Number 11, missed dose, overdose. Missed dose, apply immediately when remembered, skip if near next dose. Overdose, rare, topical, large exposure, systemic sulfonamide toxicity, nausea, vomiting, crystalluria, CNS effects. Number 12, when to stop, avoid, stop if rash or hypersensitivity develops, no improvement in wound, signs of leukopenia, infection worsening, avoid, long-term continuous use on very large surface areas without supervision. Number 13, side effects, detailed common, burning, stinging, itching, skin discoloration, grayish. Hematological, leukopenia, most important, anemia, rare. Severe, Stevens-Johnson syndrome, toxic epidermal necrolysis, hypersensitivity reactions. Number 14, vital, key clinical points. Broad spectrum covers Pseudomonas, important in burns, may delay epithelialization, healing, requires daily wound care, avoid prolonged unnecessary use. Number 15, drug interactions. Minimal, topical, but if absorbed, warfarin, bleeding risk, oral hypoglycemics, hypoglycemia, phenytoin, altered levels. Number 16, drug comparison, expanded. Feature, silver sulfadiazine, mupirocin, bacitracin. Spectrum, broad, gram-positive, best use, burns, MRSA skin infections, minor cuts, healing effect, may delay, neutral, depth penetration, good, moderate, poor. Number 17, patient teaching, detailed. Number 1. Purpose of the medicine. This cream is used to prevent and treat infection in burn wounds. It helps stop bacteria from growing and spreading. Number 2. How to apply properly. Wash hands before and after applying. Clean the wound gently, as instructed by Dr. Nurse. Apply a thin layer, about 1 to 2 millimeters thick, over the burn. Use sterile gloves or clean hands. Cover with dressing if advised. Apply once or twice daily. 3. Hygiene and wound care. Keep the wound clean and covered. Change dressings regularly. Do not touch the wound with unclean hands. Avoid contamination, dust, dirt, water exposure unless instructed. 4. Important safety advice. For external use only, avoid contact with eyes, mouth, inside nose. Do not apply on large areas without medical supervision. Do not use longer than prescribed. Number 5. What to expect. Mild burning or stinging may occur initially. Cream may cause temporary skin discoloration. 6. When to inform the doctor. Seek medical help if you notice skin rash or itching, possible allergy, fever or chills, increased pain, redness or swelling, pus or foul smell from wound, unusual tiredness, possible blood effect. Missed application. Apply as soon as you remember. If it is close to next dose, skip missed dose. Do not apply extra cream. 8. Special precautions. Inform doctor if you have sulfa allergy, you are pregnant or breastfeeding, not recommended for infants under 2 months, risk of kernicterus. 9. Drug and food interactions, usually minimal, since topical. Still inform doctor about other medicines, herbal products. Number 10. Storage instructions. Store at room temperature. Keep away from heat and moisture. Keep out of reach of children. Number 11. Key patient reminders. Do not stop treatment early. Follow full wound care instructions. Do not share the medication with others. Attend follow-up visits for wound assessment. Quick patient tip, easy memory, clean and cover. C, clean wound. L, layer thin cream. E, external use only. A, avoid eyes, mouth. N, notify doctor if problems. Cover, keep wound protected. Thank you. Have a nice day.